We are working through the rainbow and we are on purple. So today I have 4 different fruits and vegetables that are in the purple family. So this is a cabbage. This is what's called a cruciferous vegetable, okay? It improves with digestion. It has vitamins K, and it's very good eaten raw in salads. You can put it in soups, stews. My guinea pigs love it. You can put it in, basically saute it, make it very, very colorful. The thing about purple vegetables is that it adds like beautiful color to any raw dish that you're doing. Okay, so this is your cabbage. You can cut it up and make it very, very small, or eat it in these big old, like you can even put it like decoration, like open it up and fan them out on a plate, right? And then use it as a garnish. Okay, so sometimes you see cabbage used as a garnish. This is our eggplant, one of my favorite vegetables to cook. So I eat this, I'd say like 4 times a week, maybe even more. And what I do with it is I put it in the oven with some oil and some salt, or I saute it in a pan on the stovetop. And I pair it with other vegetables. I put it into stir fries, I put it in eggs. Aids in digestion, gives us increased bone health and increased brain function. When you're using eggplant, you're going to have to use like a little bit extra oil than you might with other veggies that you're stir frying, because it absorbs that oil. 2 other things that are on this tray here. We've got our plum, and you can see that it comes from a tree, right? It had a little stem here. And I consider this to be a purple plum. Maybe it's considered to be red, but it is a fruit that comes from a tree nonetheless, and it's loaded with healthy vitamins, minerals, A, C, folate, B1, K. Super yummy, sweet. My children love these, and when they're nice and ripe and soft, they are just delicious. If you cut them up, you could take off the outside of the skin with a peeler. You can cut it up and put it into a plum crostata. You can really do anything you want with these. You can put it into a little smoothie, just yummy on its own. I feel like I need to eat that right now. Blueberries. These are one of the best fruits out there. You can go blueberry picking with your kids when the season is time for that. So you just pick them right off the bush, and basically these are loaded with antioxidants. Okay, so there's vitamin C, there's potassium, helps with aging, cancer fighting, anti-inflammatory. These are something that I put inside my oatmeal every single morning. So after, for my breakfast, after I have my lemon water, I will have some oatmeal and I'll put these right in. You can put them in smoothies. Obviously, you can make desserts with them. You can have a nice fruit salad, a trifle, a pie. They bake down really well in the heat, and they're so, so yummy. My gosh, you can make jam with them or jelly. So these are 4 of my favorite purple fruits and vegetables. I know they're called blueberries, but I put them in the purple category, okay? So have fun using these. Hope that you can find new ways to use them, and have fun.